Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XDC from Kraken to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're building your crypto portfolio or just cashing out, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process simple and secure. XDC, or Zinfand's digital currency, is a popular choice for fast transactions, and moving it between exchanges like Kraken and wallets like Coinbase is easier than you might think. But remember, always handle your crypto with care to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kraken account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up and verify your identity. It's a quick process, but essential for security. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Funding, section, usually found in the top menu. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Locate XDC and click on it. Next, select the Withdraw option. Kraken will prompt you to choose the network for withdrawal. Stick with the XDC network to ensure compatibility with your Coinbase wallet. Now, enter your Coinbase wallet address. This is crucial, so double-check it. You can find your address by opening the Coinbase app or website, going to your wallet, and copying the XDC-specific address. Paste it into Kraken, then specify the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, which can vary. After that, review all the details carefully. Kraken might require two-factor authentication for added security. Go ahead and confirm it. Once submitted, your withdrawal request will be processed. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Coinbase wallet to monitor the incoming transaction. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Always use the correct network to prevent lost funds, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw XDC from Kraken to Coinbase wallet in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.